Okay, what I said, I want to now measure the RPM of the motor itself. I removed the timing belt from the big pulley. See, this big pulley is about a ½ inch, and it's really good. And double pulley. So anyway, this is my tachometer. Let me turn it on. It's just 24 volts. Okay, so we have to apply 6 more volts to have even more RPM. But right now the test is when I'm the same with 24 volts DC. Well, it's giving me like, let's see, about 3,500 at 24 volts. So I'm pretty sure would be close to the 5,000 if we apply the whole 30 volts of the motor. So let me turn it off. Okay, I want to remove the I used black tape and reflecting stripe. It's very accurate, so measured this way. See the tiny pulley is probably half of the other one, so I'm pretty sure we can get easy the 6,000 RPM with the conversion if you like to build this way instead use the big pulley. Okay, so well, it's many applications. $34.99, $12 shipping, USPS priority mail, medium flat rate box. Thank you for watching. I will take some picture as well.